Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll compare Thinkorswim with TradingView and which platform is best for trading. So if you're serious about charting, technical analysis, and trading, choosing the right tool is very important. We'll start by Thinkorswim, which is owned by TD Ameritrade. It is a feature-packed trading platform which is designed for active traders and option investors. It offers advanced charting and indicators, paper trading for practice, and direct broker integration for fast execution. But it has a learning curve and can be resource intensive, meaning meaning it might slow down on lower end computers. And if you compare it with TradingView is basically a web-based charting platform that's great for technical analysis and community-driven insights. The key features include that it is beautiful as you can see it, customizable charts, cloud-based accessible on any device, and it also has built-in trading scripts and social sharing. However, it is not a full brokerage platform, so you might need to execute trades separately depending on your broker. So which one is best? If you choose Thinkorswim, that basically is very feasible for the active trader or option investor who needs a full brokerage with professional tools. And if you go with TradingView, that's basically a sleekly social-friendly charting platform with excellent accessibility. And for deep analysis and execution, ThinkStrong is great. But for charts and flexibility, TradingView wins. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.